Here are 50 daily use sentences using do you like. These questions can help in casual conversations, making them great for building rapport or getting to know someone better. 1. Do you like pizza? 2. Do you like coffee or tea? 3. Do you like this movie? 4. Do you like chocolate? 5. Do you like reading books? 6. Do you like playing video games? 7. Do you like swimming? 8. Do you like listening to music? 9. Do you like traveling? 10. Do you like spicy food? 11. Do you like your job? 12. Do you like sunny weather? 13. Do you like animals? 14. Do you like going to the beach? 15. Do you like gardening? 16. Do you like your new phone? 17. Do you like working out? 18. Do you like singing? 19. Do you like this dress? 20. Do you like ice cream? 21. Do you like the color blue? 22. Do you like hiking? 23. Do you like spending time with friends? 24. Do you like Indian food? 25. Do you like watching sports? 26. Do you like your new haircut? 27. Do you like cooking? 28. Do you like board games? 29. Do you like sushi? 30. Do you like romantic movies? 31. Do you like surprises? 32. Do you like your neighbors? 33. Do you like cats or dogs? 34. Do you like shopping? 35. Do you like this music playlist? 36. Do you like riding bikes? 37. Do you like public speaking? 38. Do you like comedy shows? 39. Do you like your new office? 40. Do you like pancakes or waffles? 41. Do you like morning walks? 42. Do you like baking cookies? 43. Do you like this perfume? 44. Do you like Christmas decorations? 45. Do you like solving puzzles? 46. Do you like your new shoes? 47. Do you like going to museums? 48. Do you like learning new languages? 49. Do you like parties? 50. Do you like staying up late?